What's going on YouTube? Ty back from xking.com hit you with another video. In today's video, I have the number one best tip for your blog. If you want to start a blog and you want one tip, this was the one tip for blogging to make money and to grow the blog. The number one tip is you can't give up on the blog. You have to keep blogging. Blogging is like a snowball going down a very slow hill. It will take you a long time to get significant traffic to make money from it. Some people are faster, some people are slower. There are ways to get around it. Just keep in mind that it'll take you a long time to make money with a blog. Okay, John Chow said the first 8 months, he didn't make not one dime. And then the 9th month, he made $350. So almost a year of blogging. Income School, they said 35 weeks till you start getting that hockey stick traffic. 35 weeks. If you put that in Google, what's 35 weeks equal in months? I did it for you. It's 8 months. So, and John Chow makes $100,000 a month on his blog. Income School they have multiple websites making them millions. So I'm gonna listen to those guys, what they say. So they say it take 8-9 months to a year. I mean, Income School has a program called Project 24, which is 24 months to years to make a significant replace job income from your blog. So it just takes time. I mean, a long time. And I've been blogging full time, seriously, for, remember, this will be my 6th month. So, you know, I'll get traffic every day, but not that hockey stick everybody's. But if you go to, I did a video, I did a blog post, and everyone says the exact same thing. And one guy, I forgot his name, he had a website / blog, and he was blogging constantly every day. And then, you know, after like 5 or 6 months, he hit the hockey stick, but he stopped blogging. And his traffic slowly went down. And he said the one thing he regretted from that blog is he stopped blogging. He stopped writing content. He kept writing content, the traffic kept on going up. So the number one tip with that guy, Income School, John Chow, other bloggers that I follow, I know, not personally, but I've seen their work, all of them said the same exact thing. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You must start the blog and must take time. And that's why in this video, the number one tip is to keep blogging. The number two tip is to start another stream of income. Blogging can be very passive as well. So if you have my blog frequency is a blog post every other day. If you start a blog, just do 2 posts a day, 2 posts per week. Write 4 blog posts, you're good for 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks, you're not writing blog posts, or you can, you know, write 4 blog posts 1 week, good for 2 weeks. Write the next week, write 4 more blog posts. You're good for 6 more weeks. Within that 6-week free time frame, you could be doing YouTube videos. You could pick up a part-time job. You could be doing Uber. You could be investing in stocks with Acorns. You invested in stocks. You could be doing more investments in real estate. Go to Fundrise. I'm looking at that. You just have $500 to invest in real estate. Do more YouTube videos. Just don't have. With one thing I learned about investing in stocks and bonds, you can't put all your eggs in one basket, because if something happens to that one stock, you're done. The same with online businesses. You can't just depend on one stream. You gotta do multiple things, because these multiple things take a long time to grow. With a blog, it takes damn near a year to grow. So I make sure I write enough content pushed out for the next 3-4 months. I don't have to write a blog post if I don't want to. I can make more YouTube videos. I time step on my YouTube videos. Now I got enough to cover me for the next 2 weeks. Okay, what else can I do in between time? I could do Uber. Do a couple rounds of Uber. It's extra money. I could do that too. I can use Acorns, invest in some stocks. Look at that. That's another avenue of income. It takes time to build these things. I can start a podcast. Look at that. Do a podcast once a week. I'm thinking about doing a podcast and trying to own the three C's. The three content, the podcast, YouTube, and reading, the blog. So you can do other things besides the blog. So don't get hung up on the blog takes forever, I'll never make it, and I'm all the time on the blog. Don't do that. My past videos, I talked about a simple strategy for you just to hire writers when you get paid, get 2 articles written, write you 3 or 4 articles, timestamp them, go out in the future. You can chill. Right now in time, this is the end of March, I got that content that pushed me out to middle of June. It's April, May. So I'm good for 2 months. I don't gotta do anything. I don't gotta touch the blog for another month if I don't want to. If I don't want to. It's my decision if I want to. So don't worry about that. Just write the content now, do the work now. Time for the work. Okay, I got 2 weeks free. What can I do? I can write more blog posts. I can do some YouTube videos. I can invest in stocks and bonds. I can look at some real estate investing because Fundrise is $500 to start. I'm thinking about doing something like that. I might start a podcast. So do other things in between time, and then time goes by fast anyway. Time goes really fast anyway. So just do these things. So that's number 1 tip. Well, it should be 2 tips. Never give up on your blog. Keep writing blog posts. What should be 3 tips? Okay. Don't give up on your blog. Keep writing blog posts. Never give up. Give it 2 years before you give up, but have a constant flow of content. Number 2, start something else besides a blog. Timestamp your work and start a YouTube channel. Start 2 YouTube channels. Start another revenue of income. Start something else. So while that's, getting ranked and taking its time, okay, I'm doing this right now. And I have 10 videos timestamp. Okay, now I can do this now. I can do stocks and bonds now. Then I put the investment in that a little weight. Okay, now I can do something else. That's how I do it. That's how I do it. So there's no point in sitting around playing Xbox all day waiting when I can be doing something. And even if my blog is 3 months up, I can still write content and be 4 months up, 5 months up, a year up. So that's it for this video. It should be just 2 tips. Never give up on your blog, and start another revenue. Start something new. And the most common thing is a YouTube channel. Start a YouTube channel and the blog, and then build an email list. Start building a sales funnel. So once the traffic comes, have yourself 15 emails to go automatically. You can write them out. Just go ahead and write them out, punch them out, have that set up. Get Aweber. Go ahead and set it up. Yeah, that takes you maybe a week. Set that stuff up. You don't got to worry about it. What's next thing I can do? Let's work another part-time job. Let's do Uber on weekends. Start something. So, my name is Todd from NetsKing.com. Thanks for watching my video. The top 2 tips for blogging. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you next time.